Hello, thank you for watching. I'm doing the Amazon wig review of this wig right here. I know you've run across this red beauty many times on the Amazon website, but this wig right here, I bought November 2021. She has been one of my favorite work wigs. Favorite. And I'll tell you why. I'll show you. She's a synthetic wig. Synthetic blend. I love the color, and yes, she has bangs. And look, 2021. I take pretty good care of her though. Very good care of her. She has bangs, 2 combs in the front, and no comb in the back. But probably if you bought her today, she probably got more combs because this is an old unit. My favorite. Okay, let me show you. Boom, 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 boom. Let's put the combs in. I don't think I stick the combs in because she fits me like a glove. Like a glove. I know y'all seen this wig many times. Oh yeah, y'all seen this wig many times. I just scrolled past it. But she had my color. She had the right color. So I had to get her. She was one of my favorite work wigs. Oh. Because I'll just pull her back right here. Pull her down. Let me see if I can get a little feather out of this. This girl used to do a lot for me. I used to make it do a lot. Wow. A little feather action. Bam. The cut in this wig and this synthetic wig stayed in place. Okay, let's see what else I used to do. Because I couldn't wear hair on my shoulders. I used to have to do a little pin-up. But she is so pretty even like this, huh? The little feather. So being that she doesn't have a whole lot back there for a ponytail, but it's cute. You know? It's a cute ponytail. Or you can pin her up. Let me see how I would pin her up. Being that she doesn't have a whole lot to pin on the top. I gotta give me some more clips. Little curl action. Did I pin it up right? Halfway? She's cute. She is a keeper. This is a keeper work wig. Keeper. For any time. Anytime. Conservative wig that I like. And she's really in style. She's just in style. This cut is in style. Where down, up, I can just rock it. But for the most part, I was rocking it up. You know? Because, I don't know, it just adds a little bit more to the hair when I just put it up and bend it. She's cute. Gel my edges, and I'm ready to go. Thank you. Thank you for watching.